Hi children, welcome to math class. All of you open page number 225 and observe the third problem. A metal cuboid of dimension 22 cm into 15 cm into 7.5 cm was melted and a cylindrical cast into a cylinder of height 14 cm. What is its radius? Children, here a cuboid is melted and recast into a cylinder of height 14 centimeters, and the dimensions of the cuboid are 22 cm length, 15 cm breadth, and 7.5 cm height. So this cuboid is melted and recast into another shape, that is cylindrical shape of height 14 cm. So we have to find the radius of the cylinder. Okay, so let's observe the solution here. So first write the given information, that is dimensions of the metal cuboid equal to 22 cm into 15 cm into 7.5 cm, and given that height of the cylinder h equal to 14 cm. Okay, so according to this problem, here cuboid is melted and recast into a cylinder of height 14 cm. So here the cuboid is melted and that matter obtained from that cuboid is reshaped into another object, that is cylinder. That's why volume of the cuboid is equal to the volume of the cylinder. So volume of the cuboid is L into B into H. That's why 22 into 15 into 7.5. Okay, and the volume of the cylinder is pi r square h. Pi means 22 by 7. We don't know the r value, that's why write r square as it is. And height of the cylinder is 14 cm. And if you simplify this, r square equal to, so we need r square value, r value, that's why write r square value as it is. Now transpose the values 22 by 7 and 14 from RHS to LHS. So 22 into 15 into 7.5, these values are as it is, and if you transpose 14 from RHS to LHS, it will be 1 by 14. That's why the value of 14 is in the denominator of the fraction. Okay, and 22 by 7, if you transpose this, the fraction becomes changed, that is 7 by 22. So r square equal to 7 table get cancelled 14 in 2 times, and 22 get cancelled, so the values are 15 into 7.5 by 2. So here 2 table also get cancelled 15 in 7.5 times, so that is 7.5 into 7.5. so r square equal to 7.5 whole square. Here square get cancelled here because square values are lie on the either side of the equation. That's why r equal to 7.5 cm. That means the radius of the cylinder is 7.5 centimeters. So this is the solution for the third one. Okay, now coming to the fourth one. An overhead water tank is in the shape of a cylinder, has capacity of 616 liters. The diameter of the tank is 5.6 meters. Find the height of the tank. Children, here a water tank is in the shape of a cylinder of holding capacity is 616 liters. Okay, and the diameter of the cylindrical tank is 5.6 meters. So by using this information, we have to find the height of the tank. Okay, so look at here. Given that volume of the cylindrical tank is 616, that is volume means pi r square h equal to 616 liters, and also given the diameter of the tank is 5.6 meters. If the diameter is 5.6 meter, then radius equal to 2.8 meters, because half of the diameter is radius. That's why radius equal to half of the 5.6, that is 2.8. So let height of the cylindrical tank be h units. That is, substitute r value and h value in the volume of the cylinder formula, that is pi r square h equal to 616. Pi means 22 by 7, r square means 2.8, that's why 2.8 into 2.8, and we don't know the h value, that's why write as it is, h equal to 616. And if you simplify this, h equal to 616 into transpose the 22 by 7, that's why 7 will be in the place of numerator, that is 7 by 22 into 2.8 into 2.8. Okay, and if you simplify this, the answer will be h equal to 25 meters. Okay, so this is the solution for the fourth one. Okay children, these are the solutions for the third and fourth ones. So fifth problem in this exercise is your homework. So complete the fifth one and send the solutions to me. Okay.